Welcome back to JDM Nuggets, and in today's episode we're finally making this kswap CRV all-wheel drive. Here we have a RD1 prop shaft or drive shaft. The rear section, which is back here, goes to the diff and to a carrier bearing. That's a fixed length. From the transmission to the carrier bearing, there's a slip joint here. So you need to shorten the front section, not the rear. In my case, the front section was shortened 32 millimeters or 1.26 inches. New universal joints fitted, painted and balanced. Thanks to a local shop, NZ Marine and Turbo. So let's fit this on the car and see if we can get those rear wheels spinning. Four-wheel drive engaged. Let's drop this down and take it for a test drive. So this is the first test with the all-wheel drive hooked up. This is a RD5 differential and a shortened RD1 prop shaft. Don't expect miracles from that rear diff, but it'll be interesting to see what happens. We're still on those stock tires, which are really narrow and piss weak, so this thing lights up the tires really easy. So I guess we'll see pretty immediate results. Hopefully nothing breaks. A little bit of gravel here. Just smashed all the wheels in that gravel, and even on the road I'm noticing a massive difference. Very surprising. So that maybe that ID5 JDM diff is kind of like the Element ones, and it locks up a lot quicker. Just stop in the middle of the road and give it some shit. Very surprising. Shit. That rear diff is actually exceeding my expectations. Some more gravel here. Oh yeah, that all-wheel drive is working amazing. Shocked by that. It's like a different vehicle. Wow. That is really surprising. That rear diff works amazing. Next up for this car we have wheels and tires. So hopefully that'll be sorted here in the next week. And then a tune, see what sort of power we can put down. Well, big thank you to all the support. We made it over 1,000 subscribers. If you're enjoying this kind of content, kswap CRVs, we got a turbo one coming up. We're going to compare it to this one. So do us a favor, subscribe, see if we can make it to 5,000 by the end of the year, and we'll see you in the next one. And if you want a sticker, check the description for the website link.